The soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds are a significant upgrade in the open-ear category, blending functionality with comfort and impressive sound features. Design and build. The AeroFit 2 features an open-ear design, allowing users to remain aware of their surroundings, a benefit for outdoor activities or commuting. Despite their open construction, they deliver substantial bass, thanks to their large 20mm drivers. The earbuds are lightweight and IP55 rated, making them resistant to sweat and splashes. Sound quality. These earbuds deliver powerful sound with an emphasis on bass and vocals. They support LDAC, a high-resolution audio codec, alongside SBC and AAC, providing clear, detailed music playback for Android users. Sound quality is further enhanced by customizable EQ settings available in the soundcore app. Features and connectivity. The AeroFit 2 boasts Bluetooth 5.4 and allows simultaneous pairing with two devices. This is particularly useful for users with multiple devices. They also include a gaming mode that reduces latency and emphasizes audio details like footsteps, catering to gamers and video enthusiasts. Battery life. The earbuds deliver a robust battery life, with up to 10 hours of usage per charge and an additional 32 hours provided by the charging case. The case also supports wireless charging, adding convenience. Overall, the AeroFit 2 is ideal for users seeking open-ear headphones with excellent battery life, sound quality, and multipoint connectivity, especially for outdoor or active use. Thank you so much.